Outstanding design defines the 2019 Ram 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, automatic dimming door mirrors, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.